holidays were fast approaching, with parcels and packages being shipped all across the island. Spirits were high amongst the engines. Well, amongst most anyway. With the winter season came winter weather, and some are more fond of it than others. Undeniably, though, it does make traveling on the rails that much more dangerous. Slipping back into old habits, Henry.
Well,
He's only joking. It's not your fault. The ice on the rails prevented us from braking in time.
bothersome stuff, snow is.
Oh, you'll warm up to it eventually.
Jokes aside, we probably won't be able to get you out till morning. Till then, we'll be headed off to the inn outside Crosby. It's only about a kilometer off or so.
I suppose I'll see you then.
Night, old boy.
Night then. It wasn't long before Henry was yearning for his warm shed and the company of others. And though he didn't want to admit it to himself, between the howling wind and the vast sea of darkness which lay before him, he was a bit spooked.
I suppose I should at least try and get some rest. No good in doing anything else.
But before Henry could shut his eyes, he heard a voice.
I think that's an engine.
Huh? Hello?
No response.
Must have been the wind. Yes, the wind. That's it.
Now that Henry had vaguely assured himself, he went uneasily to sleep.
Psst. Are you awake?
Driver?
No, not quite.
Gah!
Don't you worry. We don't mean any harm. We've dug you out.
Henry looked down, and sure enough, he was free from the drift.
Oh, thank you. Donald and Douglas would have come in the morning.
Donald and Douglas?
The Scottish twins. You don't know them?
Can't say so.
Are you not from Sodor, then?
Of course we are. We live up north.
What are you doing around here?
Oh. Just returning a favor. Now, we must get going.
Whose? Whose favor?
Oh, just an engine we knew.
Engine? What engine?
We must get going.
Wait, I don't...
Later that morning, Henry's crew came back from the inn. Donald and Douglas already dropped by. Thought they'd still be up at Wellsworth.
Alright, let's get you up and running again. Poor engine, you were probably miserable the whole night.
Henry still thinks of his strange encounter that night, but he can never seem to make sense of it. Some days he's lost in thought, pondering what the man had said, what exactly the favor he mentioned even was. Maybe one day, we'll know.